Hello and welcome to a new training in Momentum Team. My name is Jose Graxirena. If the first time that you see me, I have in this business for 6 years. I started totally broke in this business, and 6 years later, I have my team growing in all United States, and I continue creating these videos for you because the secret is there's no secret. Then today, I'm here with my business partner. Neslin. Neslin, how are you?
I'm doing really, really good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Very happy with this video that we're doing today. Today, I want to discuss with you something that I see every day. Every day, I'm talking with new agents that tell me, "Hey, Jose, I have my license, but I have no idea how I can find customers on that. Nobody explained me about that." Then today, I want to discuss with you 5 ways that an agent can find customers to sell insurance. Okay, mainly if you are a new agent with no money, you don't have any idea, you have your license, but I know that you have a huge potential because you approved your exam for your license. That means that you have the potential. The only thing that you need is some direction.
Mhm.
In our case, if it's the first time that you see Neslin, Neslin is a top producer. Is an expert building teams, and the secret is there's no secret, right? You're gonna share everything with the people.
Absolutely everything.
Okay, awesome, perfect. Then let's start with the 5 ways that you can find a customer if you are an insurance agent. The number one is face to face in the network activities. Can you explain what is that?
Oh yeah, that's the basics, Jose. That's going door knocking, walking around and introducing yourself to random strangers. I mean, you're in a business to help people. So wherever there are people, you have business. So walk through a mall, set up a stand somewhere outside of a mall, any kind of where you can legally solicit the kind of business that we provide, clients or agents. It's just random face to face is the basics. Door knocking. It works. It
Yeah,
works.
yeah. I want to share an experience that I had 2 weeks ago. I was in a Christmas party, and was a party that I was new in that place, and I was in a table talking with people, and the person in front of me, he asked, "Hey, what are you doing?" Yeah, no, I have I'm an insurance agent. Oh, really? Yes. I'm a PNC agent, but you know what? I want to make a change in my career. Can you tell me what are you doing? Yeah, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, 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 that. Now that person is part of my team. That means
Mm,
that don't be afraid to share about your business. Talk to everybody because in this moment there's a lot of people looking for a new opportunity. You never know. You never
it's true.
you never know. And other thing that you can do with the networking face to face is that you can go to this there's some application on in your cell phone like Meetup where you can find groups and you can go to activity and just share what are you doing and you can find clients, right?
Yeah, networking. I mean, it's the way to go.
Yeah,
You
perfect.
find.
Then the second way that you can find customers is cold calling. Can you explain how you work with the cold calling?
So cold calling, you got to have a mindset for cold calling. I mean, that's where you just basically, you get the number for someone who didn't inquire about life insurance. But in that case, you call in with a bunch of information, just sharing the opportunity and the explaining the importance of actually having life insurance. Um, it's a little tricky. So you definitely have to have the mindset to go in there and really pull it off. You don't want to, some of those, sometimes people call in, you get those phone calls from random strangers like, hey, are you in the market for this or that? So you're just basically calling up people to share the information with them and with hopes that they connect with you in some way and they get covered. So cold
Okay,
calling is
yeah.
tricky. It's
Cold
tricky.
calling is nice. The most important part when you are doing cold calling is that you be ready to manage the objections. Okay, if you know how to manage the objections, the person in the other side will understand that you can offer value. One of the things that you can do to learn how to understand objections is you can work with us. We have experience working with objections. If somebody wants to call you, Neslin, and to know more about how to manage objections, where they can find you?
You can shoot me a text or hit me up on Facebook. My Facebook name is Neslin Matthew. Jose will add it up to this on the screen.
Your screen.
And my phone number is 832-819-0239. So definitely get in touch with me. We can work together and get through all of this process.
Yeah. Let me also give some a recommendation. Is something that I was doing when I was starting in this business with no money for leads. You know that you go to Starbucks and there's an area with a lot of business cards. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that if somebody put the business card, that person will be upset if you call them? No.
I don't think so. No.
No, that person is waiting for you. Then you can find business cards of accountants, realtors, doctors, everything. For example, you have a realtor, okay? You are in the Starbucks, it's a business card of a realtor. Call that realtor, okay? Say, you know what? My name is Jose. I found your business card here in the Starbucks. I'm calling all the professionals in this area just to verify if you have already your retirement plan. Oh, no. Okay, perfect. You know what? That there's an IUL, this approach that you can have a complete solution. It's an insurance, living benefits, and cash value account, and it's totally tax-free. You know that? No. Okay, I have a recommendation for you. If you give me 10 minutes, only 10 minutes, we can connect on Zoom on a phone call, and I can give you some more information. Sounds fair to you? Yes. Some people will tell you yes, some people will tell you no. Who cares? There's thousands of business cards are free. Are free. Go to Starbucks, okay? Find the area where you will find all the business cards. Start calling all the people, okay? And I promise you that you are watching this video, that you will find people that are waiting for your call, okay? Why? And you can tell me this, Nestle. I don't know you, but 99% of the people that I ask if you know something about IUL tell me no. I never explain about this.
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. And it's something that you can have a big opportunity. I can guarantee you that in this moment you are new in this business and you don't have any money for leads. Go to Starbucks. Go to find the business card. Start calling all the people. And I can guarantee you that this week you're gonna sell 3 policies.
Jose with the strategies. I love it.
Yeah, guaranteed.
Well, I've never thought of that. So now you're gonna have me train looking to my team so they can go to Starbucks.
Yeah, go to Starbucks, go to the mall where you find, because if someone put the business card in a jar, he's waiting for a call. Yeah, that's a reality. Nobody's gonna put your business card and you will be like, hey, why you are calling me? Hey, bro, I just found your business card. Okay, and if you work with Neslin or you work with me, you can call me at 407-346-5507. We can teach you how you can find thousands of opportunities in Starbucks, in all the Barnes and Noble, everywhere there's opportunity. Okay. Number 3, referrals. Can you explain the power of the referrals?
Okay, guys, you got to give yourself a rule. If you're putting someone through the process of an application, they have beneficiaries, they have brothers, they have sisters. Definitely put it in your head that you need at least 3 to 5 referrals before you get off that phone. Referrals are essential. It's free leads and it's coming directly from people who are close already to your client. So definitely, it's the bread and butter to the business. So you gotta try your best to get those referrals in.
Yes, one of the ways that I request referral is this. And if you close a sale and you say, Mary, can you share with me other people that you think that can receive the benefit of the policy that you have? Oh, yes. Maybe you can get one or two or three. Okay. But I want to share with you a secret how you can get 20 referrals, 20 minimum. Okay. And it's this. When I close a sale, say, you know what, Mary, part of the benefits that you will have with me is that, and you don't have to pay nothing for this, is the emergency response network. What is that? Okay. In 5, 10 years, maybe you will forget that you have a policy, or maybe your spouse will forget this. And you know that every year, 1.5 billion are lost because people never submit an application, a claim. Okay. But with the benefit of the emergency response network, in my office, in our office, we'll have a list of people that they have your information. And if something happens to you, that person can call me and we can process your claim. Really? Yeah, and you don't have to pay nothing. Okay? Then let's do this. It's very simple. Let's find your phone number and give me 20 numbers. What? 20? I don't have 20. Okay, let me explain you what I need 20. Okay? Of the 20, 10 will never answer my phone call. Remember you, I called you 7 times. You was very difficult to book your appointment with you. Okay, well, makes sense to me. 10, they will never answer my phone call. You will have 5. They're gonna change their phone number or their iPhone, their phone. They're gonna lost my phone number. That means that I only have 5 that will have my phone number and they will call me. Okay, well, makes sense to you? Why I need 20? Okay, perfect. Let's find for 20. Then I need, okay, write all the numbers. Now I need that you and me, from your cell phone, we're gonna send the following text message to each of the people in this list. And the message is this. Hey, Mary, my insurance agent, Jose, will call you from the phone number 407-346-5507. Please answer his phone call. He wants to share my information about my policy. Everything's fine. I'm okay, but I need you. Okay. Nestle, if I send you a text message like this and I call you, you will answer my phone call?
I will answer. If I got the text, definitely.
Yeah, you will be waiting for my call.
Jose, you're blowing my mind right now with all of these strategies.
Yeah,
Seriously.
you will waiting for my call. And I say, hey, Nestle, I'm Jose. I'm the insurance agent of Mary, your sister. Okay. I help her with this policy. Okay. Her policy includes if something happens to her, the family will receive X amount of money. Okay. You can call me to start the claim. Number 2, if he has some chronic illness, critical illness, terminal illness, she can receive money in life. It's like emergency fall. She has a policy of $200,000. If he has some cancer, she can receive the $200,000 in life. You will say, what? Really? Yes. And the best part that she has an IUL. It's a policy with cash value. She's making money, 4 to 6% of compound interest, totally tax-free. Really? My sister has that? Yes. Yes. And if something happens to her, you will call me. Okay. By the way, let me ask you this, Nestle. Do you have some life insurance?
I do not.
Then the question is, Nestle, the level of resistance, if I ask you, if I call you, and I ask you the different question, you will tell me, no, I'm not interested.
No.
No, because your sister is protected. Hey, I want to have the same. I trust in my sister.
Oh, this is amazing.
Okay.
This is absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Now you have 20 leads totally free. Okay.
Oh.
That means that agent that is watching our video, okay, If you are not asking for referrals when you are closing the sale, you are losing money.
Oh man.
You are losing money, okay? Then,
Mindset.
if you call me 407-346-5507, or you call Nestle. Nestle, what is your phone number?
832-819-0239.
Okay, we'll share with you the template that we use to request the emergency network response system. We'll share with you the script, how you're going to ask for the referral. And I can guarantee you that you will have in every cell 20 applications, 20 new leads. Okay? Okay. Then the next one that I know that Nestle is an expert
Oh yeah.
is
It's my bread and butter.
social media. Explain how you are exploding your business using social media.
Guys, people spend most of their time during the day, 8, 15 hours a day on social media. That's people we're talking about. If you want to connect with them, you have to have a platform where they can reach you or a platform where they can come to you every single day. For me, I absolutely love TikTok. I've grown a fan base on TikTok on my personal page, and I've connected with thousands of people on TikTok, and I get a lot of referrals. I get a lot of leads. I get a lot of calls. You know, a lot of them are inappropriate, obviously, but you get to swift through all of these contacts, and you have people that's actually very much interested in getting some coverage.
Yeah.
So TikTok is one way of going live on TikTok, or going underneath someone's comment if you don't have 1,000 followers where you can't go live. I like Facebook. You know, you can run Facebook ads if you don't want to do that because it does cost money. You do go live on Facebook. You have that platform. You know, you can go live on Facebook. And if you have something that is your strength, for me, for instance, I like to work out. Sometimes I will be at the gym and still have my live on, and you know, people will ask me, so, hey, what do you do? That question always comes up. And whenever it does, that's my opportunity to plug in, you know, this is the business that I'm in, and that's what I'm doing. How can I help you? Just hit me up, shoot me a DM, do something, you know? So guys, again, just use your strengths, but social media is where to go. It is free leads all over, and there are millions of people on social media, okay?
Yeah, yeah. In my case, and I want to share this information with you. In 2023, 98% of the IUL that I sold came from my YouTube channel. 98%. Okay? What that means, guys, that use the power of the video. Okay? The video is very powerful. Why? Because when someone is watching a video, it's connecting with you, trust in you. Okay? Neslin, she will have your followers. I will have my followers. Okay? Then use the video. You don't have to be an expert. You can use TikTok, you can use Instagram, you can use Facebook, you can use YouTube. And it's very simple. Only take your cell phone, okay? And you can record a video. You have in your head a lot of information that for you is something that is very simple, okay? But for a lot of people, it's a new information, okay? Then let me give you the structure to record a video in social media, okay? First, you're gonna start with your story. People love their heroes, okay? What is what is a hero? A hero is someone that lost everything and now have success. For example, in my case, when I say my videos, hey, welcome to a new video of Momentum Team. My name is Jose. If it's the first time that you see me, I've been in this business for the past 6 years. I started totally broke with only $500 in my credit card. 6 years later, I have my people growing in all United States. People love that, okay? Because they see that they can do the same, okay? Number two, always your videos, you need to include a call to action, okay? A call to action is, for example, I say, hey, Nestle, can you tell your phone number for people who are interested? My phone number is or connect on social media or connect on Instagram. If you don't add the call to action, how the people that is watching your video will talk to you, okay? Always Call to action. Call to action. Okay. And last, okay, always tell, you know what? If you see value in this video, please click the link that says share, share, share. Why? Because if you have thousands of people sharing your content will be thousands of people watching your videos, and that people are not part of your network, and you will have new followers. Okay, then, and Nestle can help me with that. You can use your social media, number one, to sell. Okay, number two, to join people to your team, right? Can you explain that?
So when I use social media, I use a tactic where I don't directly go in to say, hey, join my team, or hey, this is what
No, no.
I like to meet people where they are, and usually, obviously, if I'm going live, they're meeting me where I am. So, individually, I like to connect with them, just ask them about certain things that they're interested in, and genuinely connect, and try to understand the kind of person they are. And in turn, I get the genuine response. So it is a tactic that I have been, honing for a while. So it's a little bit different for everyone, but to
Yeah.
intentionally go on social media and say, hey, this is what this is about. I'm here to share the opportunity with agents, people who are wanting to become life agents. Yes. And hey, this is what I do. I'm selling this, and this is all the products that are available. Are you interested? That is another way to go about it. And it definitely works. So the platform, again, is something that you can just
Yeah.
become so creative with. You have so many options.
Yeah, you can use different techniques. In my case, I use the technique of give examples. Okay, I say, hey, if you're an agent that in this moment you are not having the results that you deserve, if you are not happy with your compensation in this moment, if you think that your upline is not giving the support that you need in this moment, please call me. And believe me, there's thousands of people that they have that situation. And then when you say, hey, please, you can call me. We are friends. You have to sound like a friend. Okay. And that's very important. If someone send you a text message or call you, please answer the phone call, because that person believe in you. Don't request the call to action if you are not answering your phone calls or you don't respond that. Always, because that person that is sending you the text message or the message, they have a situation and you can provide the solution. And social media is so powerful to sell products and to join people for your team. Okay. Then I love the content today. Today this information, Nestlin, and that's the way that I use the social media. You use the social media, is that we are offering free value. You're offering value free. Okay. And I love what we are doing. That's the reason that every day we are recording a video. We want that this year, thousand and thousand of agents change their careers. Thousands of people that they're struggling now, they have the opportunity to know about this industry. When I was new in this industry, I was totally broke. Okay. But somebody explained me, hey, you can do this, and you can have success. In your case, I know that yesterday you explained your story and you was a social worker, single mom. Okay.
Mhm.
And this industry gave you a lot of opportunities.
Ability. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and you can do the same. Then the number five are the leads. Okay, what is a lead, Nestle?
Well, a lead is an opportunity to get in touch with someone and chat with them. Again, that's what we've been talking about the entire time. We were talking about free leads, but in this case, this last option is to actually purchase leads, because there are platforms that sell them.
Mhm.
So, again, if you don't have any leads, you don't have a business. So you got to look into all of the options.
Yeah, a lead is when someone send the name, phone number, address, date of birth. Okay, that means that that person have a problem, and you have the solution. Okay, let me explain. Let me show you what is a lead. Okay, you have lead of fund expense and you have lead of mortgage protection. Okay, we love to use direct mail mortgage protection. Okay, let me show you an example of a direct mail. It's here. Okay, this direct mail mortgage protection lead where the person with handwriting, you can see here date of birth, phone number. That person put that letter in an envelope and send that letter to you. Do you think that he's not waiting, that person is not waiting for your call? No. Nobody go to the restaurant and say, hey, let me see the menu. Oh yeah, I love the steak. And when the server say, hey, can you tell me what you want to order? No, I don't want to order nothing. I just want watching the menu. Okay. It's the same with the leads. Okay. People are waiting for your call. The key with the leads, and you will tell me, Neslin, is that you need a mentor that explain you, number one, the script, number two, the projections, and number three, the numbers. Okay. Some agents, they say, okay, perfect, I'm gonna start with the leads. Okay. Then they buy 5 leads of $1, our leads of 2 years ago, call them and no results. They say, hey, I don't believe in the leads. I never had a result. Can you explain about the numbers of the leads?
Jose, that was me when I first started. Like I said, I didn't have a whole bunch of funds to really invest in the business. So I did a lot of door knocking. But when I did invest and I wanted to stay at home and do telesales, I would pick and choose leads. I would try to, put in maybe $20 here, $5 there, and try to get whatever amount of leads, but it was never a lot. So, when you don't have a certain amount, there's not really much you can get out of it because you are dealing with a very volatile business. So you got to put the numbers in. You got to get, I don't know, 100 200 leads and make sure, because you have to understand it's a numbers game. You can call 100 people and get only 5 people to respond and actually to write up a policy. So it is extremely important for you to understand that. And two, when you're calling these leads, when you're approaching them, have something in mind. You're not calling these people to bother them. Don't call them with the anxiety. You have to call them with the confidence that you're going to help them to get covered for them and their family. So, don't go in there with the lack of confidence, because they will feel that and they'll just be like, you know what, this person is inexperienced. They don't know what they're talking about. I'm just a number to this person. Let me hang up my phone, you know? And that's something I've been role playing with my agents as well, because the approach matters. The very beginning of the conversation matters.
Yes, I agree with you. It's very important, the mindset. At the beginning, when I started in this business and I had the leads, I was broke, not too many leads. I was afraid to fail. And I was thinking I had in my head, hey, if I call this person, maybe she will be upset. Maybe I will bother that person. Maybe he's in lunch. Maybe he's working. No, you have to think, hey, that person is waiting for my call because they have a problem and I have the solution. That's it. That's a mindset. If you have that mindset, that person will feel that you want to help. Okay. Hey, Mary, my name is Jose. I'm calling because I have in my office the form that you fill out on Facebook. Okay. My job is very simple. Is only ask you a couple of questions to know if you could qualify for this. Sounds fair to you? Yes. Just to confirm, I see that your name is Mary Smith, right? Okay. And you are living in 123 Michigan Avenue in Orlando. That's correct? Yes. And your hobby is play golf, right? Yes. Yeah. I love to play golf also. Okay. But I don't have the money. And it's a joke, like a joke. Okay.
It is very expensive.
Yeah. I say, hey, Mary, it's very simple. In this moment, you are working, you're retired. No, I'm retired. Okay, perfect. The reason I'm calling you is because I want to bring to you the information. Okay, where we can do this over the phone on Zoom, or I can go to your home. Okay, tomorrow I have 10 families that will be helping. Any medical appointments tomorrow? No. Okay, perfect. Because tomorrow I have a lot of appointments for tomorrow, but I can squeeze my schedule, and I have a space at 9 a.m. or 11. Which is best for you? 9. Okay, perfect. Do you prefer of the phone or do you prefer on Zoom? Okay, always phone. Okay, perfect. Can you grab a pen and paper? It's important that information. Okay. Can you write my name? Da 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 da. My license number. Da 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 da. Um um. And I will call you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay, perfect. Just to confirm, Mary, can you repeat me the date of the time of the call? It's 9 a.m. Okay, perfect. I'm very serious of this because it's important for me. Oh, it's important for you? Yes, perfect. Okay, I will call you tomorrow. That's it. That's it. It's a numbers game. Don't take any personal. Okay. Maybe I call you today, Nestle. You are having a bad day. You are rude with me, but I call you tomorrow. You don't remember me, and you book an appointment. Yeah.
Yes, guys, you're gonna feel so uncomfortable. It's gonna feel terrible in the beginning. The learning curve to understand the flow of a conversation, the rebuttals, they're gonna cuss you out, possibly. They might cuss you out. Don't call my effing phone. Okay, call them maybe the next 2 weeks and you get a write-up for a policy. But
Yeah.
guys, it's a learning curve. And you know how learning curves work. It's going to be uncomfortable in the beginning, but if you keep at it, you will get more and more comfortable with being uncomfortable, which is where you want to be.
Yes. And it's not the same that you call along the leads in your house, or you can have a leader, a mentor like Nethlin, that she has a room on Zoom that all the agents are working together. Can you explain about this activity that you are doing that is amazing?
Well, it's something that's worked, right? Like I said, I've been in the business for over 2.5 years now. And I do realize that people tend to feel alone when they're in there. I mean, you're working from home. You want to feel like you're amongst a team. It's an opportunity for everyone to kind of feed off of the energy of each other and learn different, tactics or strategies over the phone, how you call. And it's a platform where we can just all be integrated. You don't want to feel like you're just working in a corner office in your house and you're feeling like you're not, there's no quality to being a life insurance independent worker. So having that platform again, just have, they all come together, they share different strategies, they listen in on each other's calls, they say, hey, well, maybe if you would have done this, maybe do it the next time. They help each other out. So it's a really good place for everyone to come together and help each other out.
Yeah, I agree with you 100%. In my case, when I started in this business, I was alone in Central Florida. I was the only agent in Central Florida of the IMO that I was working at that time. No office, no support, nothing. Okay. The only thing that I had was a script of, of one paper. That's it. Now it's simple. Why? Because doesn't matter if you are living in California, you are living in Florida, you are living in New Jersey, you can connect with Nestlin, okay? You can work together and you can learn. It's very important to have a mentor. It's very important to understand. Sometimes you have the solution in front of you and you are not seeing the solution, okay? And today we share with you 5 points that can help you to build your business. Doesn't matter that now you don't have no money for leads. It's not an excuse to
Not.
take activity. No, no. If you don't have money for leads, number one, go to face network activities. Okay? Go to Starbucks, find the business cards, start calling. Okay? You will find people that are interested. Number two, cold calling. Okay? It's the same. Go to Starbucks. Okay? Number three, referrals. It's very powerful. If you close a sale and you are not asking for referrals, you are losing money. 100%. Number four, that Nestle is an expert, social media, videos, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. It's totally free. It's totally free. And number five, leads. Okay. You can invest on leads, but my recommendation is to have a mentor to give you direction, to teach you how you can resolve all the leads. Okay. If you are calling a lead, it's not answering your phone call. We have a script to send the text messages. Person is not responding your text message. You have the address. Go to the home, door knock, okay? But resolve every lead. Everything is a numbers game. If you invest $500, $600, $1,000 on leads, and you work with us, with Nestle, with me, okay? And you close one policy of $100 premium, you are break even. Okay? If you sell two policies, now you have profit. Okay? What that means that is a mindset. It's a mindset. But to have that mindset, you need to work with a mentor that give you direction. Make sense to you?
100%.
Yeah, you need a mentor. Then, if this video was interesting for you, please click here, share. We want to share this information with a lot of agents. If you see value, click the link to share. Then, Neslin, before finish our video, can you want to share something with the agents that are watching this training?
Absolutely, absolutely. Guys, again, it's a learning curve. When you get into the system and you plug yourself in, you find yourself a good mentor, it works, okay? You're not going to feel alone. You're going to plug yourself in and be amongst people who's been in the business for years, you know, people who are all about this business. So don't lose faith, don't lose hope, you know, reach out, connect, and just work your leads and work the system, and it'll work out for you. Again, you got Jose, you have myself. If you wanted to reach out to us, it is 100% up to you, but it's not this. We're just going to be adding value to you. So it's a decision you got to make. But yeah, we're here, and we're excited about the business, and we're going to be doing a video like this every single day, which Jose is a phenomenal idea. You want to reach everyone. Lots of agents out there that are suffering, and it's so nice of you to come up with this idea to teach and educate and connect these agents and help them out. I commend you for that.
Thank you, Nestle. And before to finish the video, please can you share with the agents how they can call you, how they can send you a message?
Sure. My phone number is 832-819-0239. Shoot me a text, call me. I am here to help.
Okay.
You can hit me up on Facebook as well. It's Neslin Matthew. Or you can hit me up on Instagram, which is just Neslin with underscores underneath every letter. So Jose's gonna put all the things, all of my connections in the
Everything
description
will
of
be
this
here.
video.
Yes.
So
Yeah, if you want to call me, you can call me 407-346-5507. If you call me, I'm in the meeting, please send me a text message, and I can guarantee you that I will call you. Okay, then thank you for everything and watching. Let's see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
bye.